On another note, the Ministry of Information, Communication and Technology has donated airtime worth 100,000 emalangeni to Akaswa, which will be used during the upcoming Akaswa Awards. We have a report.
The Ministry of ICT has started a partnership with the Association for Christian Artists in Swaziland, Akaswa, where the ministry has donated airtime on both Swazi TV and SBIS for the association to market its upcoming Gospel Awards event to be staged at the Convention Center this coming Saturday. The director in the Ministry of ICT, Pesheya Dube, says the ministry donated airtime valued up to 100,000 emalangeni on both the radio and TV platforms, and in turn the ministry will benefit as it will be having its engineers teaching the public on issues of digital migration during the event.
As the Ministry of ICT, it gives us great pleasure to present a sponsorship in the form of airtime worth about 100,000 emalangeni to Akaswa. The sponsorship is to be used for the promotion of the upcoming Gospel Awards. We had negotiations with Akaswa in the last few days where we agreed that SBIS as well as Swazi TV will promote their activity. But during the promotion we will also use their event to also promote our digital migration project. So during the Akaswa Award as well, we also hope to have an opportunity to talk about digital migration, and we will also be having our own technicians right at the door at the convention center who will be assisting the general public on connections, because what we have realized in the last few weeks was that the public has problems in terms of connecting to the new system.
The Ministry of ICT will not only sponsor the event with airtime, but will also be sponsoring the Song of the Year and Artist of the Year with brand new set-top boxes. The marketing manager for the Gospel Awards, Menzi Taylor, thanked the Ministry of ICT for assisting them as they prepare for the awards.
Firstly, I would like to thank the Ministry of ICT for partnering with Akaswa, which is an association for Christian artists of Swaziland. Secondly, I would like to urge our artists out there, all the gospel artists, to come give a word that we are switching on to digital from analog.
Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Solisan Mabuza in Mbabane.